When using Employa, you start with the listing URL. This should be a direct listing, not something which you would need to log in, because the site needs to be able to access it. When you press analyze job, what it's going to do is it's going to go to that listing, understand what the company is all about. It will do some research about that company. It will come back with the job requirements, detailing exactly what the the employer is looking for in a resume. And now it has come back. It is showing that this is a job posted by Morgan McKinley. If it's a recruiter, then it will basically mention that it is not directly the employer, and it mentions who the contact person is, and it mentions who the company is. It's a leading insurer based in Sydney. Role is part of a high profile program, yada yada yada. Key role expectations, the required qualifications, and key challenges. So what are the key challenges which they expect the candidate to fulfill? And in terms of resume evaluation, it will look at your resume, which you can update over here, and determine whether you are a good fit for it. If you are not, then it will mention that that you are probably not really the exact fit for the role. It will also mention what things in your profile match. How can you optimize your resume best to get that chance of the interview? It will mention which experience you should highlight, which experiences you should de-emphasize, and how you can improve it. Okay. And it will also highlight that, are there any missing elements which you want to add, which you have forgotten to add in the resume, but now want to highlight given these recommendations. So given that this was for an insurance, I previously worked an insurance copilot to allow a new startup insurer to come up with complex bits. So once you're ready, you have added any additional information, just click this. This will charge you around 5 credits. The credits are super cheap. You can buy them by clicking over here. You also can refer other people, and that gives you 50 credits each time you refer. 50 credits should get you through at least 6 or 7 resumes. Now what it is doing is it's taking this job analysis, the resume which it has evaluated, what your fits are, and then based upon that it will reword your resume to make sure that it puts the best foot forward for you. Okay. It will create a nice looking resume, and there are 3 templates which we offer. It's a classic layout, modern layout, and the minimal layout. So depending upon what you can like, you can change it. And it also allows you the ability to edit things. You can change the color, for example. You can make this, for example, italics. And you can edit it as necessary. Expert in handling insurance claim. Okay. And once you are ready, you can export it to PDF. You can copy it, and you can export it to any of your Word editors such as Google Docs or Microsoft Word. And it will also generate a cover letter for you, which basically is again written in a manner to highlight specific things which are relevant to this thing. You can also edit it over here. Again, you can copy and export to PDF. And the objective of this AI powered job assistant is not to add things to your resume which are not already there, but it allows you to put your best foot forward, and that way it gives you the best possible chance to get that interview call, so that then you can shine in person. Thanks, and best of luck in your job search.